Today's video is going to be a little bit different from what I'm usually doing. The reason is that my husband and I just had our 25th anniversary and I wanted to surprise him with recreating our wedding cake from back then. So I was secretly filming and baking here in the kitchen, and I was just making this video with my iPhone. I was tempted to make a voiceover for the video, but then I decided to make just a calming, relaxing video because all the steps are very easy and self-explaining. But of course, like always, there's a detailed recipe on my blog post and you can find it right there. At the end of this video, you'll find some of my wedding pictures, and I want to explain something. In Germany, there's a tradition that the groom and the bride cut the wedding cake together, and it's said that the person who has the hand on top is the person who is the boss in the relationship. My personal opinion on that is that the one who grabs the knife first is the one who is the boss, but overall I can say it's very even with my husband and I. We take turns, and most of the time we get along very well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for some more of my videos.